Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 6 Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. At the beginning, enter settings. Now go to Password and Biometrics and set lock screen password. Now tap on use a different password type, and as you can see we've got 4 types of passwords. Pattern, 4-digit password, 4 to 16-digit password, and password with 4 to 16 alphanumeric characters. Let's start with pattern. And now let's add fingerprint. Our sensor is right here. Done. Let's use it to unlock the phone. Firstly pattern, and now fingerprint. Okay, now let's modify the password, and let's select 4-digit password. And now let's use 4 to 16 characters, because 4 to 16 digits is the same but with higher number of numbers. Okay, let's set pattern again and proceed to face scan. So let's add a face. Okay, once my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.